What time is it? Game time! 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 How many of you here want to go to college?
Now your total assets are all the things that you have that are of value.
When you accept average, it's like allowing cancer in your body to grow.
100 what? 100 what? 100 what?
Would you rather be lucky, good, or an opportunist? If you want to be lucky, that means you don't control your own fate. That means everything that happens to you, and you have no control over it. Guess what I want you to do? I want you to lock in. I want you to lock in. When people try to tell you that you can't do something because of the color of your skin, I want you to lock in. When people try to tell you that you can't do something because of the people who came before you, I want you to lock in.
Be confident of who you are, be confident where you're from, and just let people know that you're here. You want to start building that practice, looking people in the eyes, because this is going to be your first level and introduction to credibility if you are going in the business route.
As soon as I changed my geographic location, started expanding my boundaries, things started to happen for me, right?
I was a horrible student because I knew I could get A's, and I didn't because I didn't want to get ridiculed by my friends. I promise you. But I couldn't get the D's because of my mama.
So take it with a grain of salt what you see on social media. Be careful what you post on social media. But also work on your own time. Nothing is going to happen overnight, especially in terms of success, building a business, finance, or otherwise.
Every single person wants what you want. I'm willing to fight for this more than somebody else's. Guys, I'm going to tell you right now, success is not something that's given to you. If you want success, what you got to do? I can't hear you. Work.
I was that 12-year-old boy labeled special ed. I was that 12-year-old boy who was afraid to always go inside my house because I didn't know there was drugs going on, what was going on in my house. But one thing I realized when I was 12 was that I knew one day I was going to be older.
Yo, it took me mad time to do it, yo.
What is the most important lesson you've learned so far in life? And I would say it's don't wait, just do.
When you was a little kid, what did you want to do when you grow up? Since I'm a little kid still, I want to be a basketball player or a football player.
But what if I was standing in front of the next generation of superstars? What if I'm standing in front of the world's biggest scientist and the biggest musician?
But you shouldn't even buy it if you can't buy it twice. You know what I'm saying? I will live my life as the wonderful creation I am.
I will live my life as the wonderful creation I am.
I will coat my mind with knowledge.
I will coat my mind with knowledge.
So will not be penetrated by foolishness.
So will not be penetrated by foolishness.
I value brotherhood.
I value brotherhood.
I will always be my brother's keeper.
I will always be my brother's keeper.
My stride is wide.
My stride is wide.
Because I walk in the footsteps of giants.
Because I walk in the footsteps of giants.
I will define myself. So I can redefine the world. I will be different. I will be great. I will never stop. Summit dismissed.